So what can we do as Muslims? A brilliant idea. You were here, so no point. Okay, you have two choices. That's what he said. Choice number one, switch off the lights in front of the house and the lights by the door, by the entrance of the house, and go inside your bedroom and just have a nice talk, nice chit chat with your family. End of story. But that's being passive. You know what passive is? That, you see, you're not doing like the man who wanted to cut down the tree. You see, he just wanted to stay. That's what shaitan wants you to do, just to stay inside and don't do what? Don't do nothing about it. But a Muslim, like I said, should always try to do something about the situation. Suggested. Put your hands down, please. What did he say? He said, I will go and type a very nice letter with just 4 sentences, and I will make them really nice, and will even type them on my computer, and I will say the following to those who are coming in order to trick or tree by my door. Number one, I'm going to tell them, thank you for coming to my house. Welcome. A Muslim should be welcoming. Thank you for coming. We are Muslims. That is sentence number 2. Sentence number 4, we do not celebrate Halloween. Why? Allah did not tell us to do so. 5, thank you for your understanding. So can we say this again? Welcome to my house. We are Muslims. We don't celebrate Halloween because our religion, you can say that, our religion doesn't allow us. Thank you for your understanding. Can you say this again? Thank you for coming to my house. We are Muslims. We do not celebrate Halloween. Why? Because our religion does not allow us. Thank you for thank you for your understanding, neighbor. Say that, neighbor. Thank you for your understanding, neighbor. So can we say this again? Thank you for visiting my house, for coming to my house. You're gonna type this, right? What if you're in public schools and the teacher already has prepared some Halloween activities? Because you know what? Halloween is not a Christian holiday. That's why they will celebrate it in the schools. Because it's an atheist holiday. They will celebrate. What should you do? You can write the same exact. Yes. Yo, you can go back, but only if you're. I'm gonna give you this, but be nice. Sit here. They're gonna celebrate it and they're gonna have activities. I know in public schools they have activities for Halloween. You should write the same letter. Dear teacher, I am a Muslim. I do not celebrate holiday. I don't celebrate Halloween because my religion does not allow me to do so. Thank you for your understanding. Please take my name off the list of activities related to Halloween. But should you be sitting in the classroom and saying, oh, look at them eating all these sweets, why me? Should you be doing that? No. A Muslim should be strong. It's like exactly sitting next to somebody who is eating pork and you do not eat pork. Okay? So again, let's repeat this again for the last time. What are you going to write? Again, if you don't want to write anything, if you wanna do like the man who went inside and he started praying, waiting for the 10 golden coins, you can do that. But if you're gonna take that axe and go and try to do something, but you gotta do it nice now. You gotta be nice. You gotta be kind, because this is da'wah. Okay? And don't let shaitan trick you. And shaitan comes and tells you, why are you doing this? You should be out there with them wearing these costumes and having a... No, don't listen to shaitan. So again, let's repeat these 5 sentences. Thank you for coming to my house, neighbor. We are Muslims. We do not celebrate Halloween. Our religion does not allow us. Thank you very much for your understanding. Good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. No, I'm just kidding. I know. You can tell I'm making them up. Okay, so let's repeat these 5 sentences, because I expect all of you. Now, if you're going to write a letter to your teacher in the school, dear teacher, I'm a Muslim. I do not celebrate Halloween. My religion, does not allow me to do so. Thank you for your please take me off the list of activities related to Halloween. Thank you for your understanding. You should do that as well. So let's repeat these 5 sentences. You know what? Let's begin with this. Whoever... Yes, you can. Go ahead. Okay, whoever repeats those 5 sentences correctly, will give him the choice. Okay, stand up. No, speak up. Okay, come here. He forgot something. You gotta be welcoming. This is a neighbor who's coming to your house. Okay, say. Okay. Welcome to my house. Okay. I am a Muslim. But you're saying, I am a Muslim. Don't you have the whole family? We should say what? We do not celebrate. No, we are Muslims. We do not celebrate Halloween.
We do not celebrate Halloween. Our religion does not allow us to do so.
Okay, what is the last thing? You gotta be nice. Start nice.
Thank you for your...
Give the message, end nice. That's how sales is, right?
Thank you for your understanding.
Thank you for your understanding. Bake your sweets. Just one. No. Oh, you're gonna take only one. So, okay. Who's next? Okay, come. Abdullah. Jazakallah khair. Okay, can we listen, please? Ahmed, sit down. Sit down.
Welcome to my house.
Okay.
We are Muslims, and we do not celebrate Halloween. Thank you for our understanding.
Our religion doesn't allow us to do so.
Our religion doesn't allow us.
Thank you for your understanding. Pick up your toy. Come. Yes. Hey. Don't look at... Hey, look. Eyes on me. Okay, come this way.
Welcome to our house.
We are Muslims. We don't celebrate Halloween. Our religion does not allow us to do so.
Thank you for your understanding.
The sister was born in America. Okay, am I correct? She was born here. She was brought up with Halloween of every year. And she's a Muslimah now, and she's saying this. And she's not going to do it. Because some of you guys were born overseas like me. Okay, no, I want to trick or treat. I want to have fun. No, you got to do what Allah wants. Okay, come. Okay, pick up your... Come on, Omar. Shh. So what should we say? What are we going to write in the letter? Speak.
Welcome to my house.
Welcome to my house.
I am Muslim.
I'm a Muslim. What? We are Muslims.
We are Muslim.
Okay? We do
We
not.
do not celebrate Halloween. Our religion doesn't allow us. Thank you for your understanding.
Excellent, Omar. Just pick up your thing. Okay, let's get a go. Okay, come. Pick up whatever you want. Ahmed, ارجع ورا. ارجع ورا. يلا, hurry up. Okay, go ahead. Okay, let's listen to the sister. Welcome to our house.
We are Muslims.
We
We do not celebrate Halloween.
do not celebrate Halloween.
Our religion doesn't allow
Our religion doesn't allow
it.
it.
Thank you for your understanding.
Okay, I want someone. Okay, pick up your sweet. Okay, all of you gotta move back. Nobody, everybody behind this line. Everybody behind this line. No, here. Go back. Can you please? They're gonna attack me. Okay, back. Sit down. Everybody sit down. لسه على العشاء كتير؟ طيب يبقى نديهم الحلويات وخلاص. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna ask 2 more people and then we're gonna give the sweets to everybody.
Why don't we do this? We get 2 girls, they stand up and they have them all repeat after them.
Okay?
Inshallah.
Okay.
Girls lead, inshallah.
Mariam, come. Yeah. Okay, go ahead.
Assalamu alaikum. So here's how we are going to do it. Just all hands down now. These sisters, the 2 of them are going to say 1 sentence at a time. And you have to repeat after them, like in the class. And when you finish all
افتح على الشغل. العيال دي جايه منين؟ جايين منين العيال دي؟
من هالوين.
Welcome to our house. We do not celebrate Halloween.
حفلة دي فيها كتير برضه. بتاع العقيقة.
Thank you for understanding.
That is good.
I mean, it's so wonderful, but can you say it like you mean it, you know? Can you give it some feeling? Oh, can you give it some feeling? Look at me. Okay, pick up your sweets and go, please. Pick your candy and go. Look at me. Just put your hands down. Put your hands down. Welcome to my house. Hey, look at me. Welcome to my house. We are Muslims. We do not celebrate Halloween. Our religion doesn't allow that. Our religion doesn't allow that. Thank you for your understanding. The last one I'm gonna call before we give the candy out. The last one I'm gonna call. I want someone to come and repeat the letter you're supposed to write to your school teacher. Remember the letter? Okay, come. هيقضي ما تكسروش. احنا في امريكا. We're not in Egypt.
كل واحد ياخد احسن.
What are you going to?
Religion is not teaching you so.
My dear respected teacher, that's how you should address the teacher, with respect. Dear respected teacher, I am a Muslim. I don't celebrate Halloween. My religion does not allow me to do so. Thank you for your understanding. Please take me off the list. Can you say that? Ishaq. Okay, we need some volunteers, please. Some volunteers. All of you, please.
We are Muslims. We do not celebrate Halloween.
So we want the boys this side, the girls this side. So all the boys stand up, please. Boys stand up. I said boys, not girls. Okay, move this way. Move this way. Move this way. Okay, back up what you want. Back up what you want. Okay, go now, go. Okay. خلاص بقى. لا خليهم برضو يعني. Okay. You already picked up something, no? Okay, girls, ladies, this way. This side, ladies, this side. Mix it here. Okay, come. Pick one thing.
It's going to take too much. You should give them.
Should be one
Go.
by one.
Yes.
Okay, one by one.
Okay, one thing. One second. Back.
Just one thing or everything?
Yeah, one and one. Just one. Okay, go ahead. Go. Okay.
Take one each.
Take one. No, that's enough. Only one. Go. Okay.
Wait.
Yalla, go ahead. Yes. Okay, you need to come from the line, please. From the line. Hurry up.
Quick.
Quick. Yalla, go. All right. خلي بالك. Ishaq, keep an eye that they don't come back twice. Okay, stay in the line, please. Come on, girls.
Come. Pick what you want. Come one.
If you come back, I'm gonna know. If you come back, that's cheating.
Take one. Go. Yeah, take one.
Yeah, come on, hurry up.
Just one each. One each.
Just pick one. Which one?
Hurry up. Come on, hurry up. Okay, go. Pick up. Come on.
Yellow. Okay, pick one. Bismillah.
Yalla, go.
Pick one.
One.
Pick one. This one?
Go, خلاص.
Hurry up. Come on.
All right, okay. Pick one.
Yalla, Ahmed, pick up something. Yalla, come on.
Ahmad, get one.
Oh, man.
Bismillah.
Pick up it. Okay, girls, come on.
Take one.
Hurry up.
Just one. Okay. Bismillah.
خلاص ايش؟
Do it like we do it in the wedding.
Yeah.
Just throw.
Yeah.